Hey guys, I'm here with your vocab for Friday. So we won't be doing this vocab at the beginning of the week. We'll actually do it in class on Friday. So if you are on Monday, Tuesday here in school, you'll want to make sure you write these words down, as we'll write them down in class on Friday. But our first word for this new set of standards is photosynthesis. And you've probably heard photosynthesis before, probably in middle school or just in your everyday life. Photosynthesis is what plants do. That's how they make their food. Our definition for photosynthesis is going to be the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to make food from carbon dioxide and water. So basically photosynthesis is a process where plants and other things like algae, they take in sunlight, they absorb the sunlight, and they in turn use that with carbon dioxide and water, and that's how they make their food. And they actually make oxygen for us as well, which is what we're going to talk about early next week. But yeah, so photosynthesis is how plants basically make their own food. Then we have cellular respiration. And this is the process in which cells convert sugars into energy. Also humans and animals, so basically all things that are like not plants and don't make their own food. Humans and animals use cellular respiration to create ATP, which is a form of energy from the food we eat. So ATP is a form of energy that we use in order to carry out everyday processes like mowing the lawn, walking the hallways, texting on your phone, okay? You have to have ATP in your bodies in order for that to happen, okay? And we get this energy from the food that we eat. So those are your two vocab for Friday. I'm going to also walk through your learning targets in the next video. So make sure you look for the learning target video on Schoology as well.